Have you ever walked into a room, or maybe you heard a song, or read a post online, and you just felt it? You didn't just see it or hear it, you felt it vibrate in your chest. You felt understood. And that feeling, that isn't perfection, because perfection is cold, and because perfection is a statue that you're afraid to touch. That feeling is resonant. Hello, and welcome to the very first podcast episode of a new show titled Resonate with John Michael. This is JM, your host, and welcome to this new show. You might know me as the admin behind the Pinoy Post Global's Facebook page, or maybe as a fellow P-pop fan screaming about the P-pop groups, especially Beanie, SB19, She 22, Wink, ML48, and so much more. Or maybe, just maybe, you're one of the students I meant to teach. Because yes, 13 years ago, I passed the licensure examination for teachers, and I'm a licensed professional teacher by heart. But seriously, in all honesty, right now, I'm just a guy. A simple 34 years old guy sitting here in 2026 trying to figure out how to make this year count. Well, for the longest time ever, I thought the goal of making this podcast is perfection. I thought I had to have the perfect career path, like my professional teacher's license 13 years. The perfect teaching job immediately after passing the board. Again, I passed the licensure examination for teachers since March 2013, and it has been 13 years since. The perfect content strategy. Yes, I am a content creator since 2007, and now this is my 16th year of having, or maybe, or not, not 16. Let's make it clear that I started creating content in 2007, and this is almost nearly my 2 decades in content creation. And the perfect life? 34 years of existence? Maybe the word isn't perfection. And being an ENFP personality type, you will know in the next coming weeks why I have the ENFP personality type. Again, having that personality type, I have a lot of ideas. I want to do everything. But the T in that ENFP-T personality type of mine, the turbulent part of me always whispers, John, if it is not perfect, don't show it to anyone. But looking back at the podcasts that inspired me, shows like Yanis Room, Let's Keep It Moving with Visha podcast, which I am currently listening to, Also, Sarah's bedtime stories, which I listen to currently as well, and the Paano Ba To podcast. I realized something. I didn't listen to them because they were perfect. I listened to them because they were real. They're raw, their stories are raw, and I am here to do that, but on a level up personal. And yes, I'm definitely making a shift. And my word for 2026? Well, it isn't hustle, it isn't grind, and it definitely isn't perfect. My word for 2026 is resonance. And yes, maybe you might be skeptical about our show, Resonate with John Michael. And you might be asking one simple question, and I'm going to ask it for you. And that is, John, how could this podcast topic possibly be resonating with others? And what does it have to do with the title of the show? That question is the perfect and important question. I'm not saying that show that why resonate with John Michael is the title of the podcast show. Here is my answer. In physics, resonance happens when one object vibrates at the same frequency as another object. And when I strike a tuning fork here, a matching fork across the room will start to hum even if I didn't touch it. That is why I titled this show Resonate. So going back again to the question, how could this podcast topic possibly be resonating with others? And what does it have to do with the title of the show? I am not here to preach to you from a mountain. I am here to be that first tuning fork. Just what we have said a while ago, resonance happens when one object vibrates at the same frequency as another object. So again, I am here not to preach to you from a mountain. I'm here to be that first tuning fork. So when I talk about my struggles with finding a job 13 years after passing the licensure examination for teachers, or the grief of losing my dad, I lost my dad since 2003, and now it's almost his 23rd anniversary. Or the joy of I am putting a vibration out there. And if you're listening right now, yes, you, the one you're listening to this podcast show, and you feel the thumb in your chest, that means we're on the same frequency. And if you're alone, you're not alone. You're joining with me. And yes, perfection creates distance while resonance creates connection. And I have only one manifestation about our podcast that we're doing this year, 2026. Manifesting that we don't worry about the likes or the status. We worry about the sound we are making. So even if you're a content creator who has a creative mind to do anything, or maybe you're a dreamer that dreams of sounding to have a podcast show like this one, or maybe just some trying, or maybe just someone trying to find your footing, stick around every single week because we're going to sound it out together. So join me every Wednesday, and remember, we resonate, and let's sound it out together. Thank you for listening. Let's make this year resonate. This is JM, and this is the first episode of Resonate with John Michael.